Hey guys, right now you're looking at the 16 to 55 millimeter f2.8 lens and what it can do. I love this lens as an all-arounder for travel, for portraits and taking photos and videos like this. It's just so freaking sharp. Right now you're watching it, or I'm recording this in 4K, so hopefully you can watch it on a larger screen. You can see what I'm talking about. This is the first lens I bought when I went to the Fuji X series. And it was about a year and a half ago that I bought this, and I've taken probably 2,000 to 3,000 pictures with this and countless videos. So what I'm gonna show you now is what this thing can do when you slow it down, when you dial in the slow-mo setting. In this case, it's gonna be 120 frames per second, and the film simulation mode I'm using is classic chrome. So that's what you're looking at right now, classic chrome. Now, what you're about to see, the footage, is not shot in classic chrome. It's shot in the standard picture profile. But you can just see how wonderful this lens is and why even wedding photographers use it. Is it the lightest lens? No. Does it have image stabilization? No. But the nice thing about this lens on an XH1 is the XH1 has extremely good sensor shift stabilization. So this lens is smooth. When I record video, it's smooth. Now, if you put this lens on an XT3 or an XT30, you're gonna get a lot of shake when you're doing video. But this lens combination is outstanding, especially with the recent price reduction of the XH1. So check out this video that I did a couple weeks ago and what this lens can do.